Next I'll be using my multimeter here to check the switch for continuity. My guess is that there's so much dust in here that it's not going to be very good. On this one it's kind of giving me a slight reading, but not very well. It's definitely enough to stop the motor from starting. I'll take the air hose here and blow it out of there and recheck the continuity just to see if that's what the problem is. Now in testing it, you see I get continuity right away. There's only 2 bolts holding this in, so we pop those out and the switch is free. Next we're going to use the degreaser and clean up the stationary switch. It's always good just to double check the continuity once again and make sure we're still where we want to be. Looks good.